Hi, I'm Charles, and I'd like to give you a quick overview of Synaptic's new technology-powered approach to velocity migration. Now that Vlocity has become part of core Salesforce, many longtime customers are facing the daunting tasks of upgrading their Vlocity applications and of migrating to the latest Salesforce Industries platform. In this video, I'm going to describe how we are partnering with Salesforce to provide a solution to this challenge, how it works, how it's different, our advantages, and how to get started. As a quick background, our team has extensive expertise in both Vlocity and Salesforce. We provide a portfolio of services that help our clients get more from Salesforce Industries. One of these offerings is our Vlocity migration service, the focus of this video. This combines purpose-built automation and AI with a dedicated team of experts to ensure a smooth and cost-effective transition. Let's start with why you'd want to migrate in the first place. There are 5 key reasons we hear from our customers. First, performance improvements. Then, improved user experience. Next, access to new features and capabilities. Then, reduced maintenance costs with automatic upgrades. And finally, reduced complexity with less technical debt. While the upgrade process may seem daunting, the business impact of getting it done is usually well worth it. So what approaches are out there to help you with the migration? Salesforce offers a few command line scripts that help with some aspects of the migration, but they only address a small part of the problem and only work under ideal conditions. Many system integrators offer consulting services to help with migration. Sadly, these usually take a traditional, labor-intensive approach that is error-prone, slow, and expensive. Conversely, Synaptic's approach combines a purpose-built AI-driven automation with a dedicated team of experts. Collectively, our experts have decades of experience solving the most difficult problems in the Vlocity install base. The combination of AI tooling and expertise enables our engineers to work with greater speed, accuracy, and efficiency. The result is a better migration outcome with significantly lower cost and project risk. Our process for migration happens in 2 steps. First, in phase 1, we perform an assessment of your org. This begins with discovery through dialogue and an automated scan of a current sandbox. The output of that stage is a migration blueprint which provides 1. A complete inventory of components to be migrated. 2. An assessment of their compliance with best practices. 3. An appraisal of their readiness for migration. And 4. A list of changes needed to bring the components forward into the new environment. Then, in phase 2, we perform the actual migration, including transforming, creating, and validating the new metadata and application code. Throughout the process, our migration tool is accelerating the work of our engineers via task automation, analysis, recommendations, and code generation. Let's explore next how human expertise and the migration tool work hand in hand to accelerate this process. We're looking at the desktop of our migration tool. It uses AI to analyze your Salesforce org by reviewing 20 key objects and performing over 150 checks. This allows us to identify and overcome potential roadblocks to a complete migration. Let's delve into a few examples to demonstrate the tool's capabilities. Let's start with data raptors, which generally only have a small set of compatibility issues. Still, our tool simplifies their migration to core Salesforce. With a simple click, it seamlessly transitions each data raptor, minimizing effort and maximizing efficiency. Next, let's look at migrating OmniScripts. OmniScripts require careful attention because not all Vlocity features have analogs in core Salesforce. Our tool provides detailed insights into these incompatibilities. Here, we can see 4 such incompatibilities. 2 of them are the use of custom AngularJS templates, and the other 2 are the use of unsupported elements, such as selectable items and an input block. The awareness our tool provides helps us to properly carry out a migration without surprises. Next, let's look at an even more challenging problem and see where our AI capabilities really shine. The most challenging task, migrating layouts and cards, is made nearly effortless with our tool. Layouts and cards were used heavily in Vlocity, but they have been phased out in favor of flex cards. That means there is no automatic conversion mechanism without the Synaptic migration tool. First, the tool uses AI to analyze the existing implementation to produce a full specification of the functionality in the old system. Then, at migration time, it feeds that specification to AI to create a new Flex card that retains the core characteristics of the original layout. Here is a typical layout in Vlocity made up of several AngularJS templates, cards, and states. And here is the migrated version, re-implemented using AI as a Flex card. Thank you for watching. We appreciate your time and interest. What I've shared today is just the beginning. Please reach out to learn more and/or schedule your migration assessment. We can be reached on email at sfi@synapticadvisors.com or on the web at synapticadvisors.com/migrate. Thank you.